Welcome to day 15 of our craft along countdown to Christmas. Today we're going to be making this beautiful star wreath, and we're just going to use a Dollar Tree wreath form. If it's your first time visiting us, thank you. We hope you hit that red subscribe button and stick around for more videos. But to get started, we're going to go through the supplies we need. So we need that star wire wreath form. We're going to want 2 to 3 rolls of this 2.5-inch wired ribbon. And then we're going to want floral wire and scissors, and also a hot glue gun. So we're going to start by attaching our ribbon to our wreath. We're going to take the end of our ribbon and we're going to fold it into quarters, and then we're going to take a piece of the wire and cut that off and then just attach it through the ribbon a couple times around the inner ring of the wire wreath form. And then we're going to feed the ribbon through the sections of the wreath. So there's 2 sections on these star wreaths. We're going to loop it through the first section, and then we're going to loop it through the second section. And then we're going to go to the back side of our wreath and we're going to just do a twist. So you're just flipping the wreath over, twisting it on the underside, and then you're going to feed the ribbon back through the inner section of the star wreath and then the outer section. It may feel a bit clumsy as you're getting started. It takes a little bit to get the pattern down, but once you do, it'll get a little bit easier. So just repeat that, looping through the 2 sections, twisting on the back side, then coming back up on the inner section of the wreath, and then the outer, and then twist on the back side, and then come back up through the inner section of the wire wreath, the outer section of the wire wreath, twist on the back side, then come back up, and just continue to repeat that through the whole wreath. And it gets a little easier as you fill the wreath up more, but you're just going to continue that same rhythm for the whole wreath. So again, it's looping it through the inner section, the outer section, twisting on the back side, and then just repeating that. And as I mentioned, it gets easier the fuller your wreath is. Another thing you can do as you go is just kind of scrunch your loops together. So as you get a line of them in one section, you can scrunch them together, especially if you want the wreath to be very full. I only had 2 rolls of ribbon for this craft, so I was mindful of that as I went. And I wasn't scrunching it as tightly as I have in other wreaths in the past. And this was just because I had a limited amount of ribbon. But if you have 3 rolls of ribbon, you're not worried about the amount, then I would definitely recommend scrunching it close together to get a nice full wreath. The other tricky part about these wreaths can be the corners. So because of the shape of the wreath, the top section of the wire wreath form has a little more space than the bottom section. And so when you're doing your loops, you'll just be careful to kind of create a similar look. So you may have, a bigger loop in the top section just to cover up a little bit extra space so that when you come back down through the bottom loop, you have a similar feel. And then once you get to the end of your star wreath, then you're just going to do the same thing you did at the beginning. And just take a little bit of wire wreath and just attach it to the back side of your wreath form. And then you can go ahead and just kind of fluff your wreath, shape your wreath to look as much like a star as you can. You might take a hot glue gun and glue ribbon over the wire wreath where it's exposed a little bit. And then the last step is just to hang your wreath. So I had this gold ribbon on hand and I attached that as a hanger. And you can also embellish your wreath with ornaments, ribbons, pine cones, floral picks, whatever you'd like. But that's really all there is to making these beautiful star-shaped wreaths for Christmas. I really hope you enjoyed this video and that you've been enjoying our countdown to Christmas. Please join us tomorrow for another craft that we'll do. And if you want to get notifications of future videos, just go ahead and hit that red subscribe button. And if you'd like a full tutorial, I always include that down below in the description. Otherwise, thank you so much for being here, and I hope you enjoyed making this star wreath together.